Did you know that your brain produces enough electricity to power a small light bulb? Yes, it's true. Your brain, through its neural activity, generates about 12 watts of electrical power. It may not be enough to light up your room, but it's certainly impressive. And speaking of impressive, did you know that the acid in your stomach is strong enough to dissolve razor blades? The hydrochloric acid in your stomach is incredibly potent, but don't worry, you're not about to digest yourself. Your stomach constantly replenishes a protective mucus lining to prevent this. And how about this? Your heart pumps enough blood to fill an Olympic-sized swimming pool every single day. That's over 2,000 gallons of blood circulating throughout your body tirelessly. Moving on to the skin, did you know that you shed about 8 pounds of skin every year? As you constantly generate new skin cells, the old ones flake off unnoticed. Now let's talk about your tongue. Each person has a unique tongue print. Just like fingerprints, everyone's tongue has a distinct pattern of bumps and grooves. And when it comes to tears, there are actually 3 different types. Basal tears keep your eyes lubricated, reflex tears respond to irritants, and emotional tears release stress hormones. Interesting fact about the human body, it contains enough iron to make a nail. While not literally a single nail, the estimated iron content in the body, around 4 grams, could roughly form a small one. Babies are born with 300 bones, but adults only have 206. As infants grow, some of their bones fuse together, forming a single unit. Your nose is capable of detecting over 1 trillion different scents, thanks to millions of olfactory receptors in your nasal cavity. And arguably the most surprising fact of all, you share about 50% of your DNA with a banana. Yes, we are all related to all living things on a genetic level. But the surprises don't stop there. Did you know the air you breathe inside is likely dirtier than outside? Dust, allergens, and even chemicals from cleaning products can contribute to indoor air pollution levels exceeding those outside, especially in tightly sealed homes. You might think you're good at multitasking, but your brain can't actually do it. It just switches quickly from one task to another. This can impact efficiency and accuracy, so it's better to prioritize tasks. And for all the coffee lovers out there, coffee doesn't actually wake you up. It blocks the effects of adenosine, a chemical that makes you feel sleepy. This allows the stimulating effects of caffeine to take hold, essentially masking your tiredness rather than truly banishing it. Your taste buds also change throughout your life. As you age, your taste buds gradually decrease in number and sensitivity. This explains why certain foods you loved as a child might not taste the same today. And for those who like to crack their knuckles, don't worry, it doesn't cause arthritis. The popping sound heard when you crack your knuckles comes from gas bubbles collapsing in the synovial fluid. Contrary to popular belief, goldfish aren't the forgetful fools they seem. Studies show goldfish can actually remember things for months, not just 3 seconds. Ever wondered why yawning is contagious? While the exact reason remains unclear, yawning might help bring more oxygen to the brain, leading to a slight cooling effect. Seeing or hearing others yawn triggers a similar response, possibly due to empathy or social mimicry. And finally, did you know that the average person spends 2 years of their life waiting at red lights? That's roughly 3,600 hours lost, staring at stop signs. In conclusion, the human body and day-to-day life are filled with fascinating facts and surprising truths. From the electricity generated by our brains to the unique patterns on our tongues, the potency of our stomach acid to the amount of blood our hearts pump daily, there is always something new to learn and marvel at. So next time you're waiting at a red light, consider these facts and make the most of your waiting time.